Sup, Q2 Technical. I'm back again with another video today. I wanted to do a sound test. So as you can see, on my left here I have my TCL10 5G, and on my right here I have my TCL10 Pro. This one has dual speakers. This one only has one single speaker. So let's get into it. So first, I'm going to play something on my TCL10 Pro and then play the exact same song on my TCL10 5G. So on my TCL10 Pro, I'm running Wi-Fi. On this one, I'll be running Verizon, the internet, Verizon wireless internet service. So let me go to YouTube. Let me take it behind the back. Let me find some non-copyrighted music because I don't want no strikes. Let me go to... Let me type it in real quick. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Non-copyrighted music. Oh, you know what? We don't even have to play music. I decided I'm just going to play with some of my videos. So let me do the same thing on my TCL10 5G. Let me go to my page, YouTube page. We're just going to play some sound from my own videos. The same sound, same video. And who's ever watching, if you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, that is the name of the channel. Come support my channel. I really appreciate it. But anyways, back to the video. Okay, so I have my TCL10 Pro and my TCL10 5G. So first, I'm going to play a song. Not a song. I'm going to play the sound on my TCL10 5G since this is my newer device. So I'm going to put the TCL10 Pro down. So first, we're just going to pick a video. So I'm going to pick this video right here. And I'm going to play it for you. I don't like how long. With the volume all the way up. Like it has a chin down here. I wish they could have made that smaller or at least brought the screen down more to cover that up to make it look like it's full screen instead of having a little chin. I'm going to pause it. And just bear with me because I've never did one of these videos before. So we'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to play the same video. And remember, this is the dual speakers on this device, and this is turned up all the way. So just let it load. Chin down there. So that's one con. The next con is I do not really care for the LCD display. Just because I'm saying I don't care for it doesn't mean it's a bad display. Okay, so that was just how it sounds with one speaker all the way up and then two firing speakers all the way up. So now I'm going to play it and cup the end of this to see if there's a difference. Down there. So that's one con. The next con is I do not really care for the LCD display. Just because I'm saying I don't. So you see how much doesn't mean it's a bad display. It's muffling when I cup it. So if you have a TCL10 5G or you're planning on getting one, you're going to be happy with your purchase. But when you cup that phone like this, it's going to muffle the sound since there's only one firing speaker. So now let's do the same thing on the TCL10 Pro. Wish it had an AMOLED display. The next con is I don't care for. You can still hear it on the TCL10 Pro because speakers that'll make it. This has dual speakers. A speaker here, but it doesn't. Speaker there. You get what you pay for. So now, let me try to find some music real quick. I will find some music if I can find it real quick. Okay. Let's see if it'll load. Like I said, okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna play some music. No copyright music on both devices. We're gonna play this one right here. So first, let's play it on the TCL 10 5G.
Introducing the iPhone 12 Pro with 5G, now at T-Mobile.
You can listen to that if you want to.
Power of the epic iPhone 12 Pro in more places. Get 2 iPhone 12 Pro Max and 2 lines of unlimited 5G for just $100. Only at T-Mobile.
Okay. So it doesn't sound too bad on the TCL 10 5G. But now let's do it on the TCL 10 Pro. See how loud it gets. Just let it load. This is running Wi-Fi, so this is why this one is a little bit slower than this one. So if it loads, we'll play it. Let's see here. Let me. Come on. Because I need to play the exact same song. Come on. Take this back real quick. Okay, hold on. I might need to play a different song. Let's see here. Let me go back to it. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to stop it at 0.20 right there. Okay, so now TCL 10 5G. Okay, so just from playing those two songs, I don't know how much of that you could hear or get. Like I said, I've never did a sound test, but people was like, you should do a TCL 10 5G versus TCL 10 Pro sound test. So I wanted to give my subscribers what they asked for. So to me, it sounds a whole lot better on my TCL 10 Pro because it has dual speakers. So I believe it's a speaker up here, and then this is the speaker down there. So you're getting sound from both sides. You're getting sound from the top and from the bottom. Like I said, this is only one speaker, so you're only getting sound from one of these. I don't know which one it is, but one of these is where the sound is coming from. But it does not sound bad on my it doesn't sound too bad on my TCL 10 5G. But when it does go up against the TCL 10 Pro, you can notice the difference. This sounds more clearer and richer. This sounds just, I don't know, this sounds good, but this just sounds a whole lot better. I don't know how to explain the sound on this, but this just sounds 100 times better than the TCL 10 5G because it only has one speaker. But just because it only has one speaker does not mean it's a bad device, because I'm really and truly enjoying this device. So just rate, comment, and subscribe. And in the comment section below, let me know which one won the sound test, and let me know which one you would pick up. So I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.